Haven't even started the trip and packing already killed the vibe. Time to ditch the packing stress. VOLLYC EZY Set, redefining how we pack. 2 innovative designs, massive space. Compress up to 85% crazy light. Comes with a pack pump. 4.5 AKPA turbo boost. 200 L-min airflow blast. Packing at lightning speed, weekend escape, or global adventure. VOLLYC EZY Set packs more, carries less. Business, travel, outdoors, home, wherever you go. Removable straps, waterproof backpack in seconds. Rigorous lab-tested 70D nylon, no tears, no deformities. Throw in dumbbells, this bag laughs it off. Extra wide seal zipper, glides like butter, 0 leaks, locks out moisture and dust. Rainstorm coming, no sweat. We've got waterproofing on lock. 1 bag for a whole week suit, shirt, shoes, even your laptop. See-through window, check. Giant opening, check. 1-touch air valve, triple check. Upgraded handles, got Kari's 20K, your hands won't even notice. 1-second hang, equal sign closet, instantly tame. The 3-in-1 pack pump. Inflate, vacuum, flashlight, all in one beast? Choose VOLLYC EZY Set. Pack smarter, save bigger.